Welcome. Today, we're diving into the innovative world of faceless YouTube channels and how you can leverage AI to start your own in 2025. AI tools have revolutionized content creation, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality videos without showing your face. Finding the right niche is crucial. Let's explore profitable topics that allow you to remain behind the camera. With AI, you can effortlessly script, generate voiceovers, and create stunning visuals, all while keeping your identity under wraps. Optimizing your videos for SEO is essential. Let's delve into keywords, tags, and thumbnails that grab attention. Once your channel takes off, implementing effective monetization strategies can turn your passion into profit. Promotion is key. Utilizing social media and online communities can significantly boost your channel's visibility. Understanding your audience's behavior through analytics tools is vital for growth. Let's examine the metrics that matter. As your channel grows, consider scaling through outsourcing and automation to maintain efficiency and quality. The future of faceless YouTube channels is bright with AI integration. Let's embrace this new era of content creation.